There was a materially poor man who once approached a sage, some say it was the Buddha, and asked him, "Why am I so poor?" The Buddha answered, "Probably because you don't practice generosity. Probably because you don't practice charity." Amused and a little upset by the response, the man challenged, "Charity? I don't have anything. How can I practice charity?" The sage replied, "Who said you don't have anything? You have 5 treasures with you that you can definitely share with others and give to others. Firstly, you have your smile, which you can share with others. It's free and it's awesome, and it has an amazing impact on others. Secondly, you have your eyes. You can look at others with eyes full of love and concern and make them feel cared for. Third, you have your tongue. With your tongue, you can speak kind, encouraging, appreciative, uplifting words and make people feel valued and inspired. You can spread joy and positivity using your tongue. And then you have your heart. With your loving heart, you can wish well for others and pray for the well-being and happiness of others. And lastly, you possess the treasure of your body. With this body, you can serve others, do good deeds, help people in need. Help is not always money. A small caring gesture can light someone's life up as well. Do these and you'll certainly feel rich. Of course, the message is not that financial resources are not needed. We live in a real world with real needs. Moreover, without caring for ourselves, it's hard to care for others. The message here is that even if we don't have the required resources, we can still be the instruments of doing good in our own ways, according to our own capacities, and make this world a better place than what it is.